got the excavation company who usually does. They're first on the site.
Mm-hmm.
The whole 70 foot of that top of that tree is coming down.
See it moving.
We got the homeowners from New York up on the hill here with their cameras on. The owners of the construction company with their brand new hard hats on. The excavation crew in the green shirts. And then me and my dad are the church guys.
I hear popping.
Yeah. I think it's leaning like a sun gun. Wow.
Dang, I wasn't fast enough on the camera. Thought about it after the fact, after you mentioned that.
Yeah, you probably get down there.
Awesome. Good job.
All of these assertions, all of these criminal assertions, all of these allegations such as that Trump is going to jail when he leaves office, that New York State, the Southern District of New York, Manhattan, they're going to be prosecuting Trump for all of these financial crimes that he's committed, all of this stuff, and yet none of it ever amounts to anything. The drive-by media, CNN, New York Times, have devoted themselves to getting rid of Donald Trump for 4 years. They've got nothing to show for it. At some point, the American people reach their absorption level. They just,